Dikakanyo dintle, amacebo amahle, dikakanyo dintle, Mpumalanga Community Television Station, fully independent. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kungaba icebo elihle lesi siteshi sizimele ngoba ngithola ukuthi isiteshi saqala ngo-2022. I think it would be a great idea for Mpumalanga Television Station to be fully independent, not slot under one KZN. But the fact that it's a good start. Because I understand that in Mbombela, Kruger Mpumalanga International was built in 2022. It was opened in 2022 to have international flights. So if things are really happening in Mbombela and Emalahleni is assisting, there will be more activity in the province. Yeah, I know your efforts are really much appreciated. I mean, that it's fully independent because I understand. Just when I was born in 1988, things were happening only in Johannesburg, and it was actually planned by the apartheid government to limit opportunities for non-white people. So currently there's Mpumalanga Community Television Station. It's under 1 KZN every Monday to Friday from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's only in the evening. They just saw what's happening around Mpumalanga. So I think once the station is fully independent, there'll be more people coming there. There'll be a necessity for more international flights. It will start locally.
Hi guys, this is Lucia and you're watching Mpumalanga TV. Today we are so blessed to be doing an interview with a very interesting lady. Her name is Khanyisile Thomas. Come and join me and listen to her story.
So there will be plenty of activity. Have more local flights and then international. As I already
ngiripota khona lana emkanduzweni la imayor sine-executive mayor sembombela ivula ama-bridge, ivula ihholo lomphakathi sobe sikhavarishana sihamba usuku nosuku. Umphakathi uhambile ukhona uzobuka futhi uzofakaza ukuthi lama-bridge abawacela la kuwelwa khona nehholo lomphakathi lizobe livulwa namhlanje. Sokwazi ukuthi sinikhavarishele, sonilethela imayor, sonilethela umphakathi, sonilethela amakhansela ukuthi eze ukuthi sizwe futhi ukuthi lokhu kubajabulise kanjani. Siyakubona uyagijima namhlanje ubhizi ulana kulo mphakathi wasemkanduzweni, sisazohamba nawe usuku lonke namhlanje. Yini ekulethela emkanduzweni namhlanje?
Namuhla ke la emkanduzweni silethwe ngilokuthi sithetho hand over i-footbridge to umphakathi. Sinathiwe ama-footbridge lesobe siba hand over plus a community hall lesobe si-hand over to umphakathi namuhla.
So I think well, if the station is fully independent, it's no longer slotted under one KZN, then there will be plenty of activity. I understand that in 2022 there was an attempt to have flights from Germany via Windhoek to Mbombela, but they were cut out because there was no demand. So if more and more people come to Mbombela, or Mpumalanga in particular,
sisemphakathini eholweni lomphakathi lana eJerusalem, la executive mayor uvula futhi ihholo lomphakathi. Umphakathi ugcwele bama bajabula, abantu bacula balana eJerusalem. And then is the MMC for city planning lana ubaba. How are you, baba?
No, thank you very much. MMC Maurice Mazibane, the MMC responsible for city planning and development to city of Mbombela. No, Chap.
yeah. So right now there are two soapies playing in Mpumalanga. There's Isita based in Mbombela and the Smoking was based in Emalahleni. So it was actually a step forward and the soapies are doing very well. So once Mpumalanga Community Station becomes fully independent, there will be more talent will be unleashed. So people will come there in numbers. They'll have to keep coming and coming. So you stand a better chance internationally if you're doing well locally. You find that now it's not only connected to the event triangle, Johannesburg, Cape Town and Durban, it's also connected to other provinces because of plenty of activity. That's just my opinion. But what you are doing, it's good. You can do it further. Your attempts are good enough. But I think once you do what I'm suggesting, there'll be plenty of activity. That's just my opinion. People respect when you've tried and failed, that you don't just sit down and leave everything just as it was. You made an attempt.
Angazi noma ungaba nenkinga yini uma ngahlala naye. Ngicabanga ukuthi manje zonke into zami zobe zibuye ngathi mina.
Esasithethe sasenza ngaloba busuku asifani nje njengomuntu ofaka isausage kwi-microwave aphezu start.
Kodwa ngiyumngane onjani mina? Yazi ngikhohlwe nya ukuphela ibaby shower yakhe.
Lalela ukuthi umngane onjani.
Smoke and Mirrors tonight at 9 p.m. only on E.
That's Emalahleni based. Now ISETA is based in Mbombela, so if the community station is fully independent, there will be more and more stories written by local people to uplift the community. So the airport will do well locally. You find that now you will do exactly what Bay TV did. Bay TV was launched much earlier, right around 2012, and it was focused on PE. Now today it's Mpumakaba TV. It's showing the whole Eastern Cape. So I think you can do exactly that. That station is for the whole province, so focus on the main areas. Emalahleni and Mbombela.
Bengicela ukuboleka umzuzwana. Yeah. So bengicabanga ukuthi kahle kahle into kumele siyenze thina. Kufanele sihlele kahle. And then lana umile kahle.
Ungangitsheli ngalo muntu. Ngiyacela.
Ukasumuthabela ukufihla kahle.
ISETA, The Enemy, tonight at 8:30 p.m. on E.
Mpumalanga television station, Mpumalanga community television station, fully independent. Dikakanyule nhle amacebo amahle kule ideas.